Hey, beautiful people, come on in the room. Come on in the room. Come on in. I just want to have a conversation with you guys. I want to share something with you because I had a conversation with someone yesterday and it really, really broke my heart. I had someone that I was talking to on the phone and they were sick. And they were saying how, tomorrow's going to be an awful day for me because, I have to go to work because I don't have any more sick time. And when they said that, it just broke my spirit so bad. And I'm like, what? I mean, just call out. You're sick. What are you going to do? Like, if you died today, these people are going to replace you within a week, and they probably wouldn't send flowers to your burial. So why is it so important? And it's the dollar sign. We're comfortable with getting this consistent money. You think it's consistent, but they're not paying you anywhere near what you're worth. And I just wanted to encourage somebody, and just to let you guys know that you don't have to settle for that. You don't have to settle being on these jobs that's underappreciating you. They're not appreciating you. They're giving you so much time to take when you're sick. You should be able to rest when you're sick. You don't have to settle for this. And I believe that the universe gives everybody dreams and visions of what their life is supposed to be like. And for some reason, we think it's a fantasy, like it can't be real. But the universe is showing you, look, this is the life that I want for you. And I just want somebody to get it. I want you to believe that you are worthy of that life. And it all starts with your thinking. So one of the things that helped me was a documentary that somebody had posted on Facebook years ago. And that's what started me on this journey. The documentary is called The Secret. If you have time, go on Netflix. I believe it's still on Netflix. But it's just going to awaken you to a whole level of thinking that I think is really, really, really going to bless your life. I want you guys to just know that you're worthy. Just know that, there is a better life for you on the other side of your comfortability. You have to be willing to be uncomfortable because this is something that you're not used to. The life that you want is something that you're not used to. You don't know how to get it. So in the beginning, it's going to be uncomfortable. It's almost like retraining yourself all over again, starting from a baby. You're relearning how to think. You're relearning how to attract things to you versus going to chase things. Once you get your thinking in tune with the creator, things are attracted to you because you're producing an energy. Gotta check it out. Yes, you have to check out The Secret. It's such a phenomenal documentary. And not only the documentary, there's a book that my mentor requested that I read. And when I tell you this book has completely changed my life, this is the book, guys. It's called The Game of Life and How to Play It. That book changed my life. It changed my life. And it's just such a wonderful read. And it really took me to another level. And it got me to the point to where, I understand that everything that I need is already inside of me. So I don't depend on a job. What I do is I train my thinking to attract everything that I want. Meaning, I get in tune with the source who gives me the dreams and visions, and I make it come to life by my actions. And when I put the thoughts into action, things attract to me. Now I'm not on my job. I'm no longer stuck at someone's desk, because I understand who I am. I understand why I was created. And I understand that God lives in me. So I'm a supreme being. And everything I want, everything I desire, I can have. I'm worthy of it because I'm here. So it's up to me to get in line, get in tune, and attract the things that I'm supposed to have. And that's what I'm living every day. And that's what I want people to just get. When I spoke to this young lady yesterday, and she told me that, she had to go to work and she was really sick. Like, I could hear like the despair in her voice, like the weakness in her voice. And I'm like, sis, just get yourself well. But she can't, because we're all initially trained that way. We're trained to go on someone's job to work for $1, when you're so much more than that. We are creators. We are the creators of our life. We have a piece of God in us, which makes us creators. Therefore, we can do the things that we dream about doing in our head. Good morning. I see some people coming in the room now. So I'm just going to go back. Guys, go back to the video. Hi, John, Tanya, Jamal, Obadara, Taiwo, Mensa. I'm trying with your names, guys. I'm so sorry, but good morning. Thank you for tuning in. So I'm just sharing a conversation that I had with somebody very close to me. It really broke my heart. She said she had to go to work, but she was really sick. And when she said, I don't have any more sick time, I was like, oh my God. Like, it really, really hurt my heart that she's not aware of who she is. She's not aware of her God-given gifts and talents. And I just want everybody to understand that you're worthy of a better life. You don't have to be in bondage like this. And I was sharing, there's a documentary that really, really changed my life. It's called The Secret. If somebody can put that in the comments. It's called The Secret, and I believe it's on Netflix. Watch this documentary. And you have to have an open mind, but I'm telling you, if you receive it, it's going to change your life. And then also this book is called The Game of Life and How to Play It. That is another life-changing book. Guys, we're worth so much more. There's people out here waiting for you to do what you are called to do so they can be blessed by you. How long are we going to let them wait? How long do these people have to suffer because we don't comprehend who we are and our purpose for us being here? We're all here to facilitate someone else. We're all here to facilitate someone else. And I know when I was working a regular job, I would always look at the problem. I would always think, man, it's this job, or man, it's all these bills, or, it's this relationship. It's always something outside of me. But none of our problems are outside of us, and none of our solutions are outside of us. Our problem is in the inside, and so is our solution. And it starts with our thinking, the way we think. We have to start believing in who we are. We have to start believing in the dreams that the universe is giving you. And just know that everything you need is already inside of you. We have to get this. Like, I don't want you guys suffering. I want everybody to be as free as I am today. I want you guys to be free. So that's really all I had to share. I just wanted to encourage somebody to believe in yourself. That's really what it boils down to. And it all starts with your thinking. Whatever you think is what you are. So definitely go ahead and look for The Secret and then order the book, The Game of Life and How to Play It. I think it's really, really cheap on Amazon. And they also have a workbook. Look at this. They have a workbook. You talking about getting your life in order? That's going to help you get your life in order. So that's all the time I have for the jewels today. Please take it to heart. Please understand that you are loved, you are needed, you are wanted, you are worthy, and somebody's waiting for you. All right, I'm out, guys. Thanks for coming in the room for the jewels.